Welcome to Mamma Mia's Italian restaurant. It's 7 p.m. on Friday night and the staff are ready for the dinner rush. Meet the staff who manage a busy night at the restaurant. First, there's head chef Riccardo. He runs the kitchen like a culinary general. Every dish must be perfect, every sauce exactly right, and if you overcook his pasta, well, you'll hear about it in 2 different languages. This is line cook Leo. He preps the food and can chop carrots, celery, and onions faster than a food processor. Sometimes his frying pan catches on fire, but at the end of the day, he's a kitchen superhero with amazing knife skills. Here's prep cook Maria prepping the vegetables. She slices tomatoes, dices peppers, and mixes salads while mentally calculating how many appetizers the restaurant will need. She's like a food mathematician. Meet server Stella. She can remember 8 different orders without writing anything down, carry 9 plates at once, and smile even when customers ask, "Is this gluten-free?" about the bread. Customers are always asking her for a salad with everything on the side. This is busboy Ben. He clears tables faster than customers can leave, wipes down surfaces like a cleaning ninja, and somehow makes dirty dishes disappear into the dishwasher. Here's hostess Haley. She manages the waiting list, seats families at the perfect table, and tells hungry customers the wait is only 15 minutes even when she knows it's really 45. The dinner rush is at its peak. Let's meet more of the staff. Meet dishwasher Diego. He battles mountains of dirty plates, glasses, and silverware like a kitchen warrior. This is appetizer Anna. She arranges breadsticks like sculptures and makes salads look like art. Here's Pasta Paolo. He likes to toss the spaghetti into the tomato sauce, but sometimes he misses the pot. Meet Pizza Pete. He spreads cheese with scientific precision, spins pizza dough like a magician, and he somehow fits extra everything on a 12-inch pizza before putting it into the pizza oven. This is dessert Daniela. She cuts the cakes into triangular pieces and makes pastries that customers literally dream about. Finally, there's manager Milo. He handles customer complaints, solves kitchen crises, and somehow keeps everyone from quitting during the dinner rush. He's basically a restaurant therapist with a clipboard. At 8 p.m., there's a peak dinner rush. Orders are flying in faster than the kitchen can handle, and everyone is scrambling. Every table is full, and the ice machine just broke. Then at 10 p.m., the last customer finally leaves. Time to sweep the floors, count the tips, and share war stories from the busy dinner rush. So next time you're at a restaurant, remember, behind every perfect meal is a team of hardworking restaurant staff. So remember to tip your server. They work very hard and they've earned it. Like and subscribe for more language learning adventures.